In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first names automatically in Mailchimp. Personalizing your emails helps you stand out in crowded inboxes, and one of the simplest wins is showing a recipient's first name in the to field. That way, instead of just seeing an address, they see their own name attached to your message, which can increase trust and open rates. Here's how to turn that on inside an existing campaign using Mailchimp's built-in merge tags. Start by opening Mailchimp and heading to Campaigns. Find the campaign you want to work with and click Edit to open the campaign builder. Once you're in the setup screen, look for the section labeled To. This controls the recipients and how they're displayed in the inbox. Inside the To section, turn on Personalize the Send To field. This tells Mailchimp to show a name, not just the email address. When you enable it, you'll see an option to select a merge tag. Click that dropdown. Merge tags are placeholders that Mailchimp replaces with real data from your audience, so you can personalize at scale without typing every name manually. From the list, choose the first name option, typically labeled ifname or similar. Selecting this tag instructs Mailchimp to pull the first name from each contact's profile and insert it into the To field automatically. If a subscriber's record contains Alex, for example, the inbox will show the message addressed to Alex rather than only the email address. After you've selected the first name merge tag, click Save. That's the key step to lock in your change for this campaign. You can now continue building your content or simply move on to scheduling and sending when you're ready. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. First, personalization depends on your audience data. If the first name field is empty for some subscribers, Mailchimp can't display it. To keep things looking polished, consider setting the default value in your audience settings so messages still look friendly when a name is missing. Second, if you've recently imported contacts, double check that your import mapped the first name column to the correct field. Consistent data means cleaner personalization. Finally, before you send, use Mailchimp's preview or test features to confirm the To field shows names as expected. That's all there is to it. By enabling the first name merge tag and saving your changes, you've added a simple but powerful layer of personalization to your campaign's To line.